Welcome to our tutorial on how to follow a channel on WhatsApp Web on your PC. Stay updated and connected by following your favorite channels with these simple steps. Let's begin. Start by opening web.whatsapp.com on your PC to access WhatsApp Web. From the left sidebar on the WhatsApp Web interface, locate and click on Channels. At the top of the Channels page, click on the plus icon, plus, to add a new channel. Next, click on Find Channels to search for the specific channel you want to follow. Enter the name of the channel you wish to follow in the search bar or explore different channels to discover new content. After finding the desired channel, click on Follow to start receiving updates and notifications from that channel. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily follow a channel on WhatsApp Web on your PC, ensuring that you stay informed and engaged with the latest content from your favorite channels. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy staying connected and up to date by following channels on WhatsApp Web, enhancing your messaging experience and discovering new content effortlessly.